Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Today I'm going to continue on my quest to better understand swipes. So I'm going to do two swipes or give an example of two swipes. Um, the first one I'm going to be using is American Floetrol as my cell activator. And on the second swipe, I'm going to be using Australian Floetrol as my cell activator. I really wanted to see the difference in the cells. So let's start this video. So right here, I am laying out my paint. I poured on my pillow paint or my background paint, and I'm just getting it on the canvas. So what I've done was mix up 25 milliliters of cell activator, 20 milliliters of American Floetrol, 5 milliliters of paint. I did the same thing with the Australian Floetrol. So it's a 4-to-1 ratio. My paint that I mixed up was Amsterdam Titanium White, and that will be what I am swiping with. So if you could, in the comments, let me know what you use to create cells. Do you use American Floetrol? Do you use Australian Floetrol? Do you use silicone? Or do you use another means to create your cells? Share with the group. So here I'm going to lay my cell activator on the back of my tool. And this cell activator is, again, paint and American Floetrol. 4-to-1 ratio. And then I'm going to lay my colors on top of the cell activator, which is on the tool. Once I have all my colors on my tool, I'm going to swipe it across the canvas. Wipe off my tool, and hopefully my cells will start to form as the paint sets up. I do see a few cells forming. I'm going to torch it. Hopefully more cells will appear as I torch. And they do. And then instead of spinning, I'm going to slightly tilt. I'm going to tilt off the excess paint, and hopefully as I tilt off the excess paint, my cells will begin to grow or open up. So again, this video has nothing to do with the composition. I'm just trying to look at the cells, see the difference between the cells from Australian Floetrol versus American Floetrol. And keep in mind, if you keep too much paint on the canvas, if you don't tilt it off, you run the risk of it cracking. So I'm going to repeat the process. This cell activator is now a mixture of paint and Australian Floetrol. 4 parts Australian Floetrol, 1 part paint. Pour it on the back of my tool, spread it out, and then I will use those same colors, pour them on the back, and then swipe. And when you swipe, you need to swipe with a light hand. Heavier the hand is, the cells won't appear. It's more like it's skimming. You need to skim the top of the paint or the canvas. And with the Australian Floetrol, lots of cells immediately. And as you see on the left hand side, you do see on the one I did with the American Floetrol, more cells did appear or develop. However, the Australian Floetrol gives you lots of cells immediately. So you need to decide what's best for the type of painting you're going for, the type of look you're going for. And if you use Floetrol, you have no cleanup. You use silicone, you have a lot of cleanup. So I'm going to do tilt like I did with the first one. And then at the end of the video, you'll see the dried results. And you can decide what you like better. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Phoenix Flow Art, creating is what we do.